Hello students, I am Prince Kumar, Department of Chemistry, Government College, Adampur. Today we discuss about the amines. It is the basic topic of organic chemistry. Let's now discuss amines. In this lecture, we discuss the various subtopic of amines, that is just introduction. First one is amines, introduction. Second one is classification of amines. Third one is basicity of amines. Fourth one is substituent effect on basicity. Effect on basicity. And fifth one is reaction of amines. And last one is heterocyclic amine. These six are the subtopic of amines. We discuss one by one. First of all, we discuss the amines introduction. In this case, we discuss what is amines. And in second case, classification of amines. In this case, we discuss the classification, means its various form, that is it is primary, secondary and tertiary. And in third case, we discuss the basicity of amines. I know the amines are basic in nature. So in this topic, we discuss the basicity of amines. And fourth is substituent effect on basicity, that is the various substituent that effect on the basicity when it attach on the nitrogen atom of amines. And fifth is reaction of amines. There are several reaction of amines in which we perform the amines from other reagent. And last one is heterocyclic amine. Heterocyclic amines means the compound in which at least one atom on the benzene ring is different. This is the heterocyclic amines. Let's now discuss one by one. First is amines introduction. First of all, we discuss the definition of amines. What is amines? Amines are derivative of ammonia in which one or more hydrogen atom has replaced by alkyl group. As we know, the formula of ammonia is NH3. This is the formula of ammonia, and its structure is one is here lone pair of electron. Due to this lone pair, ammonia is basic in nature. Now from this ammonia, since in definition we says amines, what is amines? Amines are the derivative of ammonia. Derivative of ammonia, and all the hydrogen are replaced by the groups, that is CH3 group, CH2H5, various alkyl group. This is the amines. Amines is the derivative of ammonia in which one or more hydrogen atom have been replaced by alkyl group. let's now discuss the various example of amines. Let's example is CH3, NH2, CH3, N, CH3, H, CH3, N, CH3, CH3. This is the primary amine. Or 1 degree amine. This is secondary amine or 2 degree amine. And this is last one is tertiary amine, or we can say that 3 degree amines. It is clear that from this ammonia, when one of the hydrogen are replaced by one CH3 group, then it is like that. This is the one CH3 group. Here H are replaced by CH3 group, then it is primary amine. And if two hydrogen atom have been replaced by two CH3 group, then it is secondary amine. And if all the three hydrogen have been replaced by a CH3 group, then it is tertiary amine. So this is the example of amines: primary amine, secondary amine and tertiary amine. Now we discuss the classification. In classification, these are the three classification: primary amine, secondary amine and tertiary amine. Primary amine, what is primary? When one of the hydrogen is replaced by one CH3 group. And secondary amine, when two hydrogen atom of the ammonia have been replaced by two CH3 group, then it is secondary amine. And last one is tertiary amine, when all of the hydrogen have been replaced by 3 CH3 group, then it is a tertiary amine. This is the classification of amines. Now we discuss basicity of amines. Now we discuss the basicity of amine. As all we know, amines are basic in nature. But how it basic? As we know, ammonia is also basic in nature. This is due to the presence of one lone pair like that of this, and H, 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 and one is the lone pair. Due to this lone pair, ammonia is basic. But here we discuss the basicity of amines. Basicity of amines. First of all, amines are Lewis base. Amines are Lewis base because it donate lone pair of electron. Because it donate a lone pair of electron. Donate lone pair of electron. Due to this reason, it is basic in nature. And which basic? Lewis basis. Now we discuss the chemical reaction that shows the basic character of amines. Are NH2 plus water. The reaction is reversible. Here perform product is R NH3 positive plus OH negative. Here the equilibrium constant Kb. This is the constant, equilibrium constant for basic character. This is equal to product side divided by reactant side. Here is product side is R NH3 into OH negative divided by R NH2 into water. This is the Kb value of this reaction, and in this reaction if the base is strong, if the base is strong, then equilibrium shifted to right, equilibrium shifted to right if the base is strong. In other way, the basicity of amine can also explain by the pKb value, that is pKb value. What is pKb value? If the pKb value of respectively amines are more, then it is more basic, that is directly proportional to basicity. If the pKb value of amines are more, then it is strongly basic. Now we discuss the substituent effect of on basicity. In this case we discuss the two factor. Let's now discuss substituent effect on basicity. What is substituent effect? There are two factors that affect the strength of basic. What is these two factors? First one is alkylation. First one is alkylation effect, and second is electronic effect or nature of amine. Now what is these two factors? How these factor affect the basic character of amines? Now discuss. First is alkylation of effect. Alkylation effect. Alkylation effect means as the number of alkyl group attached on nitrogen of amine more than it is more basic. It means alkylation means if the number of alkyl group attached on nitrogen atom is more, then it is more basic. Example, 3 degree amine more basic than 2 degree amine, more basic than 1 degree amine, and last is ammonia itself. How? Here 3 hydrogen, no any alkyl group, no any R group. But in case of 1 degree amine, only one R group. Here is 2 R group, here is 3 R group. As the number of R group increase, the basic character or basic strength is increase. This is primary amine CH3 NH2, and this is secondary amine. What is secondary amine? N CH3 H, and last is CH3 N CH3 CH3. What is more basic? This is more basic, like this. Since here are 3 CH3 group. and here is only two alkyl group or methyl group. Now this is the alkylation, and effect for this reaction is inductive effect. Inductive effect, as the inductive effect is here more than less than very less, so it is more basic. What is inductive effect? Inductive effect means if the number of alkyl group gets increased, here the electron density on nitrogen atom is more. Here the electron density is more, so it is most basic in nature. This is the 3 degree. For 3 degree amines, here is more is the inductive effect, more is the alkyl group, more is the electron density, so it is most basic. This is the alkylation effect. Now we discuss nature of amine. What is the nature of amines? That is the what is the nature, how nature. Nature means whether amines are sp3, sp2 or sp. Hybridization. sp3, sp2 and sp hybridization. If the amines are sp3 hybridized orbital, then it is more basic, like that of 3 degree. Example, what is the example? The example of 3 degree is RCH2 NH2. RCH2 NH2. And for 2 degree RCH double bond NH. And last, for sp hybridization RC triple bond nitrogen. This is sp3, this is sp2 and this is sp. Due to this reason, it is more basic, it is most basic, it is less, and it is very less basic. This is the nature of amines. If the amines are 3 degree hybridized orbital, then it is more basic, and if it is sp, then it is least basic. Now we discuss various reaction of amines. There are the several reactions that we discuss in amines. In this reaction, we just perform the basic character. Also explain basic character reaction of amine. Reaction of amines. In this case, we also called it method of formation of amines. Formation of amines. There are several methods that perform the amines. First is reaction of alkyl halide with ammonia to form amine. Reaction of alkyl halide with ammonia. Alkyl halide, for example, CH3, CH2, Br with ammonia in the presence of ethanol, or we can say that the reaction of alkyl halide with alcoholic solution of ammonia, with alcoholic solution of ammonia to form the amine. Here HBr, here is the H and here is the Br are removed, and the remaining product is CH3, CH2, NH2 plus HBr. This is the method that perform the ammonia, first method. Now we discuss other method, that is the formation of amines. This is the name reaction and very important for point of view. This is the Gabriel-Thalamide reaction or this is the Gabriel-Thalamide thalamide reaction, or we can say it Gabriel thalamide synthesis, Gabriel thalamide method. This is the method of formation of amines. Now discuss. First of all, in this case, the reaction is thalamide like this. First of all, we plot the structure of thalamide. Structure of thalamide. Here, first reaction with potassium hydroxide, KOH. The product is C double bond O, N K. This is the salt. This, and name of this is potassium thalamide. Potassium thalamide. Again reaction with CH3 CH2 Cl. And now product is NCH2 CH3. KCl is here removed, and the product is C double bond O, C double bond O. Here is NCH2 CH3 प्लस में क्या आ जाएगा, इसमें प्लस में प्लस KCl. Here remove. Again reaction with KOH water, and the product is potassium, this type, and other is CH3 CH2 NH2. This is the ethylamine. And this is the best method to perform the amines, that is the Gabriel thalamide reaction. Now repeat it. What is Gabriel thalamide method? First of all, thalamide reaction with potassium hydroxide. The product is its potassium salt, potassium, and then reaction with ethyl chloride, CH3 CH2 Cl. Here KCl is removed, and product is this. Again reaction with potassium hydroxide and water. The last and final product is ethylamine plus phthalate, potassium phthalate. Now again reaction with reduction of nitroalkanes. There are several methods of reduction. Reduction of, this is the last method of formation of amines. Reduction of nitroalkane. Reduction of nitroalkanes. Nitroalkanes CH3 CH2 NO2 plus reduction 3H2 in the presence of platinum or nickel. These are the catalysts used in this reaction, and the product is CH3 CH2 NH2 plus water. This is the other method, that is the reduction. Here reduction will take place, and reduction of nitroalkane. This is the nitroalkane, and this is used for reduction in the presence of platinum or nickel. The product is ethylamine. So these all are the chemical reaction of amines, or we can say it method of formation of amines. Now last topic is our in amines are heterocyclic amine. What is heterocyclic amines? In this case we discuss heterocyclic heterocyclic amines. From word hetero means different, and cyclic means in the form of cycle, and amines itself that contain a nitrogen atom, or cyclic means in the form of cycle. So heterocyclic, what is heterocyclic? Heterocyclic amine is an organic compound in which atom of amine group are part of either an aromatic or a non-aromatic ring. Here on the ring at least one atom have different from other carbon atom. This is the one atom is different on cycle like that of this. This is the basic and common example of heterocyclic compounds. This is the heterocyclic compounds in which in this ring these all are the carbon, and here one is nitrogen, that is one is a different atom attached on the ring than carbon. So it is the heterocyclic amine. It is the basic part of organic chemistry, heterocyclic amines. There are various examples. This is the formula of pyridine, and other is pyrrole, quinoline. These all are the example of heterocyclic amines. So in next lecture we discuss the diazonium salt. Diazonium salt, next lecture. Thank you.